So how can you copy text from a text message on your Android phone? If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and I'm going to actually guide you through it. So on my Samsung phone, which is obviously an Android device, I have two pre-installed messages apps which I can use right for my text, right? So the first one is the Google Messages. You can see that I can switch to this one to use it as the default one. And in here, I can browse all of my texts which I've been interacting with and so on. So for example, you can tap on one, and if I want to copy the whole text from this SMS, I can just hold down on it. You can see that it gets selected because it's highlighted like this. And at the top, we have the copy button. So you can click on copy and it has been copied to the clipboard. So if I go to any place, I can just paste it, right? And it's going to be like there, and the whole thing is going to be pasted to that place. So that's like the first way if you're using Google Messages. A lot of people might be using that even on other brands of Android phones, but you might also be using the Samsung Messages. And if I go here and switch to the Samsung one this time, you're gonna notice that the process is almost exactly the same. So I can essentially just hold down on it and click on a copy text. This time I get the options right away, but I can copy it the exact same way, and that's how you can also copy the messages as such. Right, so that's something which you can definitely do. But if you want to be a little bit more comprehensive with it, in the past I made a video about how you can export the text messages as PDFs, and I was showing you how you can use it through an app which is called Text Exhibit. So I'm gonna quickly show it to you. I'm not gonna make the whole tutorial out of this, but I was talking about this app which allows you to kind of like export all of your existing messages in PDF, so you don't even have to copy them individually, and that's how you would be able to do that. For more info about it, you can check out the video about this. I'm gonna link it below so you can check it out, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.